Cheryl! Baby!
The song playing so softly in my heart.
Baby! Baby! Tatandaan mo ako! Sa LRT! Hi, baby!
And I pray.
Manong!
Ah! Pwede magpakilala. Ano pangalan mo?
Weird!
Sandali ah. Nagustuhan mo ba?
Sobra.
Grabe laki ng bahay ninyo. Ang saya-saya naman.
Akala mo lang yun. Buti na nga lang dumating ka sa buhay ko eh.
Totoo may sinasabi mo, Jillian. Parte na ako ng buhay mo.
Love changed her.
Patrick, Jillian is our only child and she likes you. Ikaw lang nagpapasaya sa kanya. But I think ikaw rin ang pwedeng makasakit sa kanya ng sobra-sobra.
But life changed him as a secret comes between them.
How can I, each time I try, you say goodbye. You were there.
Pwede mo magtanong, anong matutulong ko sa'yo? Dito mo ba nakatira si Jillian Linden?
The sky, we can share
Jillian,
tomorrow and forevermore.
Jillian, patawarin mo ako. Alam ko nasaktan kita.
Nice to see you. And I hope it will be the last.
This Valentine's, fall in love with the pair that stole our hearts and swept the nation. Coco Martin and Julia Montes. Can love fix what life has broken? All it needs is a moment in time. Directed by Emmanuel Quindopalo. February 13 in cinemas.